Yes, first thing first, this is the hardware I use for my project development. As for the input, I use MLX90614 infrared thermometer sensor for body temperature detection, and water sensor level module as for skin hydration. For both of these parameters connected to the microcontroller, electricity MCU, which is act as a processor and coordinator from the sensor to the user phone. Then the phone will give the output through the Blink application and cloud server. Next, for my project flowchart, when the product is turned on, the temperature sensor and skin hydration sensor will start to measure as we place our wrist part at the sensor, and then the temperature sensor will detect our body temperature, whether it is high or low. Meanwhile, for the skin hydration sensor, it will start to measure the total water, measure the percentage of the total water in the body, while for the woman, the healthy range and normal is 45% until 60%, and for the men is 50% and until 65%. After that, both data will send through the microcontroller, then will be displayed to the phone apps, which is Blink application. So this is my video demonstration. So this is for the dry situation. I do for two situations, which is dry and moisture. For the moisture, I apply lotion. This is the temperature reading, and this is for skin moisture. The next part, I apply lotion at the wrist part. So this is the reading. So from the result of the video, you can see that the body temperature for the dry situation, which is without lotion, is 36.6 degrees Celsius, and for the skin hydration is 40.3%, which is the body temperature for dry situation is higher than after applying lotion as for the moisture situation. This is because when we apply the lotion, it helps our body become moisture and cool, so the temperature will drop. While for the skin hydration, while for the skin hydration, according to the chart below, it shows that the result of this percentage is below than the average range for women when in dry situation, but it rises a little when in moisture situation, where after I apply the lotion and reach the average healthy range. As for the conclusion, throughout the entire project, all the objectives of the project were met. My project development can help save a person's life because early detection alert them before they have serious problem health. Other than that, this project development would be useful to other industry, not just pilgrims during Hajj and Umrah. Furthermore, it can be used to other industry, for example, sport industry, for athlete used to training and monitor hydration level during competition. So for the recommendation, to make a recommendation, first thing first, I need to reduce the size of my project development as it intends to be worn on the human body. Thus, on a final development scale, it should be the size of a marketable watch or other wearable. My idea first is to make a wearable monitor e-health monitoring because for the prototype I use FYP2 is big and the prototype is quite big as a wearable, so I need to change the hardware into the example FYP2 to Arduino Nano because it is smaller. And other than that, the casing for the product I should develop with water resistant material, so it can be used such as in a rainy day or maybe we can move anywhere. Plus, the way it notifies the user should be improved, not only by sending notification through smartphone, but also adding an alarm with vibration. It also can help impair user.
Hanis, can you go back to your design?